If you want to speak English from day one, you are in the right place. This video is only for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Izanna and today I will talk about how did I practice English from day one, how did I speak English from day one. And I applied 4 effective and powerful methods to speak English from day one and it is very powerful and really it worked. If you really want to speak in English, stick around this video. Then in this video, I will explain 4 effective and powerful methods to stay consistency in your speaking learning journey. Before I dive in topic, I would like say something to everyone who wants to speak English. Fix your goal and stay consistency. Those are very crucial part of your English learning journey. It's time to reveal our first method. First method is start talking with a simple formula. I can plus object. For example, I can learn English. I can speak English. I can improve my English speaking skill. I can keep consistency of my English speaking learning journey. I can understand. This method is very powerful and easy for beginner and who want to learn English, they can use this method because it is very easy and effective way to speak English from day one. Second is I want plus object. I want to improve my English speaking. I want to practice English with stranger. I want to improve my English speaking skill. I want to speak English every day. I want to improve my speaking skill. I want to keep consistency of my English learning journey. It's very easy, right? And method number 3, I plus will plus object, right? I will practice English every day. I will improve my English speaking skill every day. I will talk in English every day. I will talk in English with people. I will write for improve my communication skill. I will speak for improve my communication skill. Then I have plus object. I have a book. I have a pen. I have a phone. I have a bottle. I have a English grammar book. I have some interesting pages. I have a pencil. I have a eraser. I have a box. I have a pen. I have a TV. I have a jar. If you really improve your communication skill, if you want to really speak English from day one, it is very effective method to speak English. Nobody can stop you if you want to speak English. Last formula is I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to lose my hope. I don't want to give up my English speaking challenge. I don't want to be scared. I don't want to give up my English speaking learning journey. Friends, those are a very effective and powerful method formula to speak English from day one. And you have to practice English like this, friends, because as a beginner, I can tell you everything about my experience. I applied this method formula to speak English from day one, and that was very effective and powerful method and formula. After that, very crucial part is to keep consistency of your learning journey so that you can speak. That's all for today's video, friend, and thank you for watching my video.